Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Self-directed investing means you, not an advisor, make all the decisions about your money. You choose exactly where to put your funds, when to buy, and when to sell them. It's about taking the reins and truly understanding your financial future. This path offers a fantastic opportunity to learn valuable skills and truly own your investment strategy, empowering you to build your wealth your way. Why go self-directed? Well, for one, you get total control over your money. No one else is telling you what to do, which can be incredibly empowering. Plus, you often save a lot on fees. When you manage things yourself, those advisor fees simply disappear, leaving more of your money working for you. It's also a great way to educate yourself about the financial world. Ready to dive in? First, clearly define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or something else? Knowing your why will guide your choices. Next, explore various investment platforms. Look for user-friendly options with low fees. Finally, begin with a small, manageable amount, something you feel completely comfortable with. It's all about starting smart and growing from there. As you begin, remember a few key concepts. Diversification is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset types to reduce overall risk. Also, truly understand your personal risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with potential ups and downs? Remember, investing is generally a long-term game, as patience often leads to the best results. The learning journey never really ends with self-directed investing. Take advantage of online courses, good books, and reputable financial websites to expand your knowledge. Consider joining online investor communities too. They're great for sharing insights and getting your questions answered. Remember, continuous learning and adapting your strategies are key to your long-term success in this exciting field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.